Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, today is going to be kind of an experimental episode because today we're going to attempt to make Heston Blumenthal's hot and cold tea. Now, I know what you're thinking, hot and cold tea, who gives a shit? But here's the thing. Now just imagine that this is full of tea, okay? So you have hot tea on one side, cold tea on the other, and nothing to divide it. Yeah. Pretty sweet, right? Now, I remember thinking to myself when I first saw that is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I've got to try to remake that myself at home. But this is a 3 Michelin star restaurant, in fact, and yeah, it's a little bit difficult. However, through a little bit of research, I think that I found the solution. So this is going to be my first attempt at making Heston Blumenthal's hot and cold tea. And honestly, it might fail. So I don't know, but I'm going to give you the rundown at the end of the episode, how it tastes and if it actually worked or not. So yeah, let's do this. All right, now it's time to taste this thing. So the one thing I noticed is that when I took the divider out initially from this, the side that had the bubbles on it stayed on one side, and the side that was clear stayed on the other side. So it actually did stay divided for a little bit, although as it said, it does start to mix together a little bit. So I'm assuming it's going to kind of even out and be kind of warm. But I don't know. Here we go. All right, I'm going to see if I can get it in the middle. Try to get both sides hot and cold. It was kind of like 70-30, but there's definitely a distinct difference. So, hey, you know, so far it works. The only thing I want to do is make sure that one side is really hot and the one side is really cold. I'm not really getting as much of that as I'd like here, but it's still distinctively different temperatures. One side's hotter, one side's colder. So I think I need to get a better divider. The divider really needs to be snug and dividing the glass completely from the hot and the cold side. So when you pull it out, it allows it to mix together slower. So you actually really get the distinct hot side and distinct cold side. So it's not quite the final drink, but yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. At least it works. All right, well, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for stopping by on my little experiment. Definitely gonna do another show with this and really nail this down to to an absolute perfect drink if it kills me, and it might. Oh, and that reminds me, we're also going to be doing a giveaway later this week where, in collaboration with Big Lich, the guys who actually write my theme music, are willing to give away 3 of their CDs that actually contain my theme music in it. So if you guys are interested in that, there's going to be a little contest update later the week for all my subscribers. So stay tuned. I'll see you then. Cheers.